Well, it's working, but the recording stopped. So that is not good. Dennis Johnson, Houston Texans rookie. And this is pack number. Actually, this is pack 6. Sorry. Got us Malcolm Floyd, Blaine Gabbert, Mark Sanchez, then we got us Brandon Marshall, Vernon Davis, and then this is going to be a hit. And it is a jumbo jersey numbered to 149 of Ryan Nassib. Jumbo jersey of Ryan Nassib going to the Giants. So we got one auto left. Let's make this a nice patch auto or something. It looks like we got us, yep. Alright, so Randall Cobb. Got Brian Hartline. Then we got Marquise Colston. We got Richard Sherman. And then new generation rookie of Jordan Pryor. Poyer. Jordan Poyer. Numbered to 999. That's for the Eagles. Alright, 2 packs left. Alright, 2 packs. Got us. Looks like we got us a red card. We got Torrey Smith, base card. Got Von Miller, base card. Mercedes Lewis. Miles Austin. And then, no, just an insert. Alright, so there's Miles Austin. And then a red insert numbered to 250 of Mike Williams. Numbered to 250. Alright, so this should be our auto. Let's go money card. Let's see, take the 2 off the back. Oh, so this should actually be the dual jersey auto, huh? Alright, we got Aaron Rodgers. Got Scott Chandler. Adrian Peterson. Alfred Morris. Oh, we still got one more card left. Hakeem Nicks. And it is going to the Houston Texans. A dual jersey auto of DeAndre Hopkins, numbered to 250. So DeAndre Hopkins, numbered to 250. So there we go. I'll show the hits again, recap real quick. And then I'll show the gold card as well. So we got Ace Sanders, that's numbered to 25. 14 to 25. And then let's go with jersey, going to the Chargers of Malcolm Floyd to 199. We got jumbo jersey, Ryan Nassib to 149. That's for the Giants. And then we got us a retired rookie auto for the Cardinals of Ryan Swope to 999. And DeAndre Hopkins, numbered to 250, dual jersey auto, freshman fabric, numbered to 250. And then I didn't show that, but the Cardinals, Ryan Swope. So congrats to everybody who got a hit, and thanks for joining. And be sure to check out the other boxes I have posted right now.